Hello everyone. Take 3 partitions in the hair and then twisting your hair back and forth and rolling it in this manner, and with the extra hair left behind you have to make pleats and then roll them up. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Proceeding further in the video, with the help of a stick in between, you have to roll your hair in this manner in a zigzag pattern and securing with the help of clutches. Again make a ponytail and then secure and roll your hair in this manner so as to make a beautiful lovely round circular bun and then secure with the help of your clutches. Isn't it pretty amazing to make a bun like this, a round circular bun? Again we are making a round circular bun and with the help of clutches. Isn't it pretty enough now? These hairstyles are definitely gonna make your day. They are looking damn amazing. Keep on making and rolling your hair in this manner and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely bun like this and secure with the help of your clutches. Pretty amazing. Now roll your hair in this manner and keep on rolling till you get a beautiful round circular shape on the top of the hair where you will be enjoying and getting it. Isn't it pretty amazing? Now doing partitions in the hair like two, and what are we going to just roll your hair in this manner and interlock it, and with the help of the ponytail you have to interlock it again and you will get a beautiful lovely bun. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Thank you so much.